Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make electric level control with float switch wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. TP MCB circuit breaker, DP MCB, stop switch, start switch, contactor overload, water tank, first phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection to DP MCB, neutral connection to DP MCB, three phase connection from TP MCB to connect contactor, output connection from contactor to connect stop switch, output connection from contactor to connect start switch, output connection from contactor to connect stop switch, again output connection from contactor to connect contactor another point, common connection between stop switch and start switch, output connection from contactor to connect NC switch and stop switch, output connection from NO switch to connect water tank to, output connection from contactor to connect DP MCB, output connection from overload to connect stop switch, neutral connection output from overload to connect DP MCB, three phase and neutral connection output from overload for load. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.